Let us say this important question for class 12 board exam. Question: discuss the differentiability at x equals to 0 of the function fx equals to question to likha nai aru fx function is given as x e to the power 1 by x minus 1 by e to the power 1 by x plus 1 when x not equal to 0. Aru dia ase fx takes the value 0 when x equal to 0. So you have to check the differentiability at x equals to 0, whether f is differentiable or not at the point x equal to 0. So what to do? Calculate left hand derivative at first. At which point? At x equal to 0. So at x equal to 0, we are going to calculate left hand derivative. So that's nothing but limit your h tends to 0, f of at which point? 0 point. 0 plus h, 0 minus h, left hand. That means on the number line, when it is 0, x approaches to 0 from left side. That's why 0 minus something. 0 minus infinitely small number h, f of 0 by negative h. Now, limit h tends to 0, f of negative h by negative h, and f of 0 is 0, equal to limit h tends to 0, then f of negative h, by this definition, when x not equal to 0, fx takes the value this, so h not equal to 0, so f of h will be this expression, that is negative h into e to the power negative 1 by h minus 1 by e to the power negative 1 by h plus 1 divided by whole thing divided by negative h at the other. Clear? Now this two will be cancelled out. So you will get left hand derivative equal to limit h tends to 0, e to the power negative 1 by h minus 1 by e to the power negative 1 by h plus 1. Now here is the turning point. Value of e is what? Lies between 3 and 2. So e to the power, if you take minus infinity, say it is 2.5 for our convenience, say 2.5 to the power minus infinity. That's equal to 1 by 2.5 to the power infinity. And that is 1 by infinity. That is equal to 0. So I hope this is clear. So I mean to say e to the power negative infinity is your 0. Now take the limit. Here if I take the limit, means I will put the value 0 for h. So 1 by 0 infinity. So you will get e to the power negative infinity minus 1. So minus 1 as it is. And e to the power negative infinity, e to the power negative infinity plus 1. Now e to the power negative infinity 0 minus 1, and here it will be 0 plus 1, which is equal to negative 1. So your left hand derivative you obtained as negative 1. This is your left hand derivative we calculated. Now you have to calculate right hand derivative. If both the values are the same, then it will be differentiable, otherwise not. Now let us see the right hand derivative. R is d. At the same point x equal to 0. So limit h tends to 0, f of right hand derivative 0 plus h minus f of 0 divided by h, limit h tends to 0, f of h by h, f of 0 is 0 only, okay, equal to limit h tends to 0, and f of h is your what? 1 by h. If you are like this way, f of h will value into h into e to the power 1 by h minus 1 by e to the power 1 by h plus 1. Now a is cancelled out. Okay, then you are left to it right hand derivative equal to limit h tends to 0, e to the power 1 by h minus 1 by e to the power 1 by h plus 1. Now this step is important, but if you take limit right now 1 by 0 infinity e to the power plus infinity, then it will be infinity only. Till now it is indeterminate form. You cannot take the limit here. No, it doesn't need to be limit lower. It is positive way as well. E exponent. গতিকে তুমি যদি e to the power positive infinity তো এটো infinity হ'ব তো ultimately infinity by infinity form. So what to do now? It is the most important. So in order to calculate the limit h tends to 0, multiply by 1 minus h. E to the power negative 1 minus h, you multiply in the numerator as well as denominator. Then here you will get 1 minus e to the power negative 1 by h. And here 1 plus e to the power negative 1 by h. Now you take the limit. That will be 1 minus e to the power minus infinity by 1 plus e to the power minus infinity in either cases. This is minus infinity because 1 by 0 is infinity. And RSD equal to, you see, e to the power minus infinity 0. So 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0. E to the power minus infinity to multiply here, 0 here. So কি হয়ে গেল 1 by 1 equal to 1 है तो राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव की पाला 1 पाला लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव की पाला तुम्हारा -1 पाला तो लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव इज नॉट इक्वल टू राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव therefore the function is not differentiable at the point 0. So here लिख दीजिए since LSD not equal to RSD so f is not differentiable at x equals to 0. This is your answer. So, side of important board exams. Thank you.